welcome to onlyBBguns video review channel. Today we're going to be looking at something we've got in because you lot have been asking for it so much. It is a Tokyo Marui, it is a Desert Eagle. It's not the standard desert, it's the 10-inch. It's the best we could do for you lot. It is the hard kick ABS version. As you can see, it is Tokyo Marui. It is legitimate. So all them people saying we're doing knockoffs, shout out. Onwards and upwards. There's your box. Standard Tokyo Marui manual. Not much to go through. I won't open that because if anyone can read that, fair play to you. But do's and don'ts of cocking. There we go. You do get a small pack of. They ain't bad quality. You can use them. They get my approval. And get rid of that. So that is all you get in the box, unfortunately. But saying that, what more do you want? That is just a beast in itself. Pretty hefty, that nice long barrel. The barrel doesn't go right the end, right to the end. The barrel actually stops, I believe. The barrel stops there like it does on the standard. This is just for show, this front bit, so the barrel stops where my hand is here. But can you imagine that, skirmishing with that? Even at CQB, you pull that out and you point at someone, they're going to think, crap. Very nice gun, very, very nice. Anyway, let's crack on with this. Standard Tokyo Marui Desert Eagle mag. Even got Tokyo Marui Co. Limited, made in Japan, all over it. Metal, so pretty hefty mag. Simple to load up. Pull the spring down, it opens up wider there. Pull your BBs in, make sure you get them stacked rightly so you get the most efficient. Careful with the lips, they are plastic, they do break every now and then. Oh yeah, fillet at the bottom. Release valve on the top. Look after it, it looks after you on the field. As I said, this is the ABS version, so all ABS on top. The furniture, i.e. the mag release, the slide takedown button, the slide stay, the fire select, the hammer and the trigger are all metal, and the magazine release. Nice rubberized grip feel on it here, so you got a good grip on it. I mean, I've got fair sized hands, but I can barely get my fingers around this thing. Now, these are chronoed at 290 FPS, which is quite good. We did request them to be at that ranging for a reason of, if they're over that, most CQB sites wouldn't let you play it, so we have fought that a little bit ahead and asked for them to be neutered, if you will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some gas in this and we're going to dry fire it. So how's that gassed up? Yeah, there's a bit in there. I've done a stupid thing today. I dropped the bottle and I split the valve on the top so it loses a lot of gas. So this is for demo use. Okay. So we know there's nothing in there. So I know I'm dry firing it. I'm going to be holding the slide stay down to function the gun. That's a really hard kick on that. You don't, with this, you don't want to hold it out like hold it loosely, because you do, and you'll really feel it. I mean, see if this will do it. Where'd that go? I know I shouldn't, but this is just got to be done. 3, 2, 1. I love it. Absolutely beautiful gun. And one more. There we go. Snaps back. Tells you it's empty. Lovely gun. Great laugh. We've only got a couple of these in for now. We are looking to get some more in the future. So if you like what you see, click on the link below and take you through to our website where it's hiding. Thanks again for watching. If you've got any comments, please leave them below, but please make them nice comments, because I just hate deleting people's hard work of writing stupid rubbish. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.